One of the things I enjoy about Mosaic Dentistry is they want to make sure that you're comfortable. They offer blankets, they have TVs, offer headphones, things that just kind of put you at ease and let you forget that you're having your teeth worked on the whole time. Hi, my name is Amanda Moulton, and I had to get a new crown here with Dr. Conley at Mosaic Dentistry. I had had a subpar dentist when I lived in Indiana and came here and found that things were not done properly, and Dr. Conley explained that I had crowns that were failing from a previous dentist and that I needed to have those replaced here at her office. During any treatment at Mosaic, they make you feel comfortable by the little things like putting chapstick on your lips because your mouth has to be open wide and your lips get dry. They reapply it throughout the treatment, and then it's yours to take home. They make sure that you're comfortable, make sure that you're not in pain, and that you can communicate with them if anything were to come up during the procedure. Dr. Conley at one point had this odd little machine that it jiggles your mouth and it somehow disrupts the nerve receptors, and you don't feel the pain like you would when it's just sitting there still. It seems like an odd little procedure, but it works. I think if someone needs a crown or a filling or any other dental work, that Mosaic is absolutely where I would recommend that they go. They'll be well cared for. People will check in with you during the treatment as well as after to make sure that you're healing okay and that nothing has come up. You're always in good hands here.